What's up guys, this is Usman here. In this video I am going to share the tips and tricks of the Oppo A53 with you. I already made the video of unboxing of the Oppo A53 and I also created the review of the Oppo A53. Link will be available in the iCards and in the description. Make sure to watch them also. Now let's get started. Tip number 1. That is related to the very important app, and that is Contacts application. We need this application daily in our life. Oppo put this important app in the Google's folder. First, let's move it from the Google's folder to the main screen. Now you can easily access to the contacts. Tip number 2 is the split screen. Open any app that supports the split screen. Like I'm going to open the WhatsApp. Then place your 3 fingers and move them up like this. And now I'm going to open the Messages app. Now you can see we can enjoy the both apps at the same time. Suppose that you want to share the information between the two apps, this is the easiest way. Now the third tip is related to the app cloner. Suppose that if you have the two accounts of the Instagram or of the Facebook, then it's best thing for you. For this, first of all, let's open the settings and then move down, and then you will see the option of the app cloner. Open this up. Suppose that you have two accounts of the Instagram, then open the Instagram and then turn on the app cloner. Now if you go to the home screen, here you will get another icon of the Instagram. By that you can use your second account of the Instagram. Tip number 4, make sure to use the live wallpaper. On the home screen, pinch in to open up the options. At the bottom you will see the option of wallpaper. Open it up and then you will get the different wallpapers here you can see. The first option is the live wallpaper. When you will open up, you will get the different bunch of the live wallpapers here. You can select any one that you love. Suppose that I am going to select this one and I am going to set it. And this will make your home screen very attractive. Hope you love this tip. And the tip number 5 is related to the screen color temperature. For this, first of all go to the settings. And in the settings move down to the display and the brightness option. And then when you will move down here you will see the screen color temperature. You can move to the cool or to the warm, and you can set as you want. Or you can set to the default also. And you can set to the cool also if you love this temperature. And the 6th tip is related to the screen refresh rate. For this, first of all go to the setting, display and the brightness, and you will move down here you will see the refresh rate. Oppo A53 provides 90Hz refresh rate, but you can set to the 60Hz refresh rate if you want more battery timing. Or you can set to the 90Hz if you want more smooth experience all the time. Or you can select the auto option also, and the phone will decide automatically whether to use 60Hz or to 90Hz. And the 7th tip is related to the font. And yes, you can change your phone's boring default font to the new exciting fonts. Like I am using the comic book Hello font. To change the fonts, first of all go to the display and the brightness. Move down and you will see the option of the fonts. Open the font option and it will take you to the theme store. Go to the fonts option from the bottom menu and you will have the different awesome fonts from which you can download and apply. So these were the few tips and tricks of the Oppo A53 which I shared with you. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you really found it helpful, then make sure to like it and share it with your friends. Comment below also if you have any kind of the question, and subscribe my channel for more videos. Watch my other videos till the next one. Take care. Bye bye.